Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my PM recap for the pound US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar this morning, I was talking about longs unless we broke structure to the downside, which this is a 2 to 4 hour time frame structure. We went up and made a new high, but we have not been able to break structure to the downside, so we are definitely still looking for longs. I actually went long on the pound dollar twice today. I went one long here and then long this morning also. Definitely still looking for longs unless we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, because we need to keep in mind that the daily and the weekly is in a downtrend. This whole move up right here possibly could just be a pullback within the higher time frame downtrend, which is why if we do get a break of structure to the downside, we definitely want to go back to looking for sorts. Until then, longs all the way. I mean, it could just possibly keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.